Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening System Settings from the Apple menu. This is where Mac OS keeps dock controls. Once open, go straight to Desktop and Dock. Make sure you're looking at dock options. Don't wander into displays. Now find the switch labeled Automatically Hide and show the dock. Toggle it on to start hiding the dock when not in use. This is the direct setting Mac OS provides and the cleanest, most reliable first step. After toggling Auto Hide, your dock will slide away when you move the pointer away from its edge. If you want different behavior, change the dock position to left, bottom, or right. Position affects where you reveal it. Once set, practice the quick toggle. Press Option-Command-D to hide or show the dock instantly. This key shortcut mirrors the setting and is handy when you need temporary access without opening settings again. Finish by testing. Move the pointer off the dock's edge and watch it vanish. Move back to reveal it. If the dock refuses to hide, restart it with Terminal. Open Terminal and run Kill All Dock. This quickly resets dock behavior. Also make sure no full-screen app or third-party utility is forcing the dock visible. If problems persist, reboot. Most issues resolve after a restart and the setting will stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.